Today I'm going to be showing you how you can master your audio in Adobe Premiere Pro 2026 easily and quickly. First things first, find the audio clip and the file you would like to master. Mastering makes the sound better quality, or you can adjust it to be more vibrant, to have a studio-like quality, or even enhance it realistically. So first things first, click the clip, and then you want to make sure you're on the editing panel in the top right-hand corner. Then you can scroll to the effects bar, which is just along here at the bottom left, and type master. Then you're going to see audio effects, special mastering. Drag and drop it all the way across to your clip. It's then going to highlight the clip on the effects controls at the top right hand corner. You can scroll down until you find audio, and then it's going to say custom setup edit next to the mastering tab. Because if I play the clip now, it's mastered, but it's a bit tinny, so I like to adjust the parameters. I don't want any reverb on because reverb makes it's like an echo. I want that off. I do indeed want there to be a low shelf and a high shelf just to give it that extra quality. I don't need it much louder, and there you go. My clip is lovely and crisp and even better than before, and you can play around with exactly what you want to ensure you get the right sound for your video. Now, typically you would have to master each clip or drag and drop the mastering clip effect, onto each individual clip, like right here. But a trick you can do, and I'd recommend, is nesting all of your content together. So highlighting it all, right-clicking, selecting nest. It goes into one big long file, no longer individual files. Then I would drag and drop the mastering effect over to your audio clip, which is now multiple in one. And then you can master it once without having to do it over and over again. So I'm going to change this to subtle clarity as well. I forgot to mention you can change the preset, and it just sounds started off 10 years ago. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much. Leave a like and subscribe down below.